Another term which I will discuss is mode. Mode is the most frequent value of the series. It is mainly used when there is skewed distribution. तो एक सिंपल सा एग्जांपल लेते हैं। 20 नंबर का टेस्ट हुआ क्लास में। These are the number of marks scored by each candidate: 6, 8, 10, 12, 12, 14, 14, 14, 14, 19. Mode is most frequent occurring value. So the most frequent occurring value in this case is 14. So very simple example, 14 is mode in this case. इसी एग्जाम्पल को अगर हम 100 स्टूडेंट्स में लें, लेट अस सपोज यही 20 नंबर का टेस्ट मैंने 10 स्टूडेंट्स के बजाय 100 स्टूडेंट्स से लिया, तो मार्क्स नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स 20 में से 8 मार्क्स कितने स्टूडेंट्स के आए? 20। 20 में से 10 मार्क्स कितने स्टूडेंट्स के आए? 25। 20 में से 14 मार्क्स कितने स्टूडेंट्स के आए? 15। और 20 में से 16 मार्क्स कितने स्टूडेंट्स के आए? 40। सो नाउ टेल मी mode in this case. Marks which are scored by most of the students is 16. So 16 is mode in this case. Let's take another example of a YouTuber. Let us suppose in a year I am seeing the number of views on each video. Suppose 10 videos got a view between 0 to 5 million. 25 videos got views between 5 to 10 million, and 35 videos got views between 10 to 15 million, and 60 videos got views between 15 to 20 million. 10 videos got views between 20 to 25 million. So he has published approx 140 videos. So he is a very hard working YouTuber who publish videos regularly, who regularly makes videos. He is not like me who goes on a break for a very long time. So let's calculate mode in this case. So mode range will be of course 15 to 20 million, because maximum number of videos goes views between this range. So how to calculate mode in this case? It is given by the formula L plus f0 minus f1 to f0 minus f1 minus f2 into I. So L is as usual 15 million lower limit, f0 60 videos, f1 35 videos, and f2 10 videos. So f0 in this case is 60 minus 35, 120 minus 35 minus 10 into 5. So after calculation it comes out to be 16.66 million views. So this is the method how we can calculate mode in this type of data.